welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. And today, Tina is speaking about Kris. And she's basically saying that, he came out and he apologized to Kian. And she is shocked about the things that came out on Kris after he has allegedly been, bothering her on social media, basically, or trolling her on social media. And she's saying that, you know, when people have those things in their closet, they shouldn't be basically coming out to accusing or bothering others. She said that her life, it was made public of the activity that happened in her life, her criminal record, and she did not make it a secret. It was a public record. She allowed everyone to know what happened, and basically she didn't hide anything from the public. But she's saying that Kris is has kept his and was throwing shades at her all along when he allegedly had a record too, and or records. So guys, you have to hear what Tina has to say, because if you know Tina and Kris, they have a long history of battling with each other. And because of that, she has a lot and lot to say about the situation that's at hand that Kia revealed. And it's a lot. So you may want to go hear it from her. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday! And I wish you prosperity, long life, peace, and joy beyond compare. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, subscribers, and whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day out there today.
His knees buckled because this lady right here came out for him a second time. And she came with some bombshells. Oh, yes, she came with some bombshells. I was shocked. Click the thumbs up button, guys, as we're in here. Click the thumbs up button. I was shocked to hear the bombshells that Kia came out with. I was shocked. I could not believe. Guys, you got to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. I could not believe what she came out with. Okay? No. The phone lines are open. 857-209-6095. 857-209-6095. You can call in and sound off on what we heard today. Now, if you remember quite well, Kris is the type of person who likes to come online and tell me about my past. A past that I was very public about. A past that I was very transparent about. I didn't hide it. It was no secret. But every day he made it his job to come out here and troll me about my past and tell people not to buy from me, and how drugs this, drugs that, and how every day I used to go to school, them tell him no to drugs, but here I go smuggling drugs and blah, 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 blah. It was something that he did on a regular basis in his attempt to have people not support me. All right, so here we have a call now. Hold on, I'm going to go live. Remember, if you're calling live, guys, you're going to be on the live. All right, let me put that out there already, okay? All right. Hello, would you like to be on the live?
So good, girl. Come on for the money.
Oh, yeah, that's what you have to say? You suck hood too. You suck dick too. You suck dick too. You suck dick too. Have a good night. Night. Okay, she had nothing to say. All right, she's telling me suck hood. You can't expect nothing better from these people. These people are his supporters. He's a nasty person, and he's a pedophile. And these are the women who support pedophile. So this is the number who just called me a while ago. This is the number who just called me a while ago. It's an 860 number, which is a Connecticut number. I don't know if the number is real or fake, but this is the number that called my phone a while ago. 860. This is the number that called my phone a while ago. Hold on one moment. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. The number that called my phone a while ago was 860-663-6913. Let me screenshot it and put it up. I'm going to screenshot the number and put it up. Somebody calling me telling me I suck dicks. Oh, well, okay. Next person, if you want to call, it's 857-209-6095. These are the women who support pedophiles. She's calling me telling me to leave the pedophile alone. Really? Is that true? Would you like him to mess with your daughter or mess with your son? So you're the type of mother who would allow him to mess with your daughter and your son. Okay, that's fine. If that's what you're into, that's your business. But like I said, guys, some bombshells were dropped today. Bombshells were dropped today about him. One of the biggest bombshells was that he was arrested. He was arrested. He was arrested for what? He was arrested for messing with little boys. Can you imagine? He was arrested for messing with little boys, underage boys. As a matter of fact, they caught him in bed with the little boy. Huh? Let me read this comment. Kris used to have the young men on his lives. If my memory serves me correctly, the royals donated to buying the young man a laptop. Are you kidding me? What? Get out of here. You know, somebody reminded me about a little boy, Dante. Somebody reminded me about the Dante engagement. I remember somebody said, Tina Chin, you remember when he went down to Jamaica and he met Dante and he was looking at Dante kind of saucy-ish. He was kind of looking at Dante as if he wanted to, with Dante. But Dante is an intelligent young man. Dante probably didn't pick up on that because he's a little boy. He's not looking, he's not that type of person. But Kris, on the other hand, was scoping out Dante when he went to Jamaica to meet Dante. And now Dante is totally innocent in this, but I'm just mentioning the scenario when he went to Jamaica to meet Dante. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? Right? Now, like I said, Dante is totally innocent in this. I am just mentioning when he went there to meet the little boy and he could be seen just scoping out that little boy. Now it makes sense why he was scoping out the little boy, because he loves them. There is also accusations of him luring little boys in a place called Vauxhall, England. I don't know. You guys know about Vauxhall, England? Is there a place called Vauxhall, England? Vauxhall, England. No, I don't know the UK that much, but I am assuming somebody told me that there are a lot of gay clubs in that area. And Kris used to go to that area. And while he was there partying and stuff like that, Vauxhall, and why he was, I'm not, at this point, Wendy, I am not saying allegedly. I am not saying allegedly. I'm not saying anything allegedly as it pertains to Kris. I am not saying anything. Now, you have to understand the history between me and Kris, right? So in his case, I will not use the word allegedly for him. No, I will not use allegedly. No, I will not use allegedly for Kris, right? Allegedly is used for other people that you have never had run-ins with, right? You use the word allegedly for other people and other scenarios, but not when it pertains to Kris. Not when it pertains to Kris will I use the word allegedly. Okay. So there is a area in South London called Vauxhall or Vauxhall, however it's pronounced. And I heard that there are a lot of, that's the neighborhood where a lot of LGBT people party and stuff. And Chris used to go there. And when he went there, he lured little boys. Yes. From the internet to that place. Yes, that's what I heard. But he's 10 years older than him, man. So that, yes, and he's 10 years older than his husband. So it's possible that that is true. He has an insatiable appetite for younger, you know what. But somebody also says that he's a nasty young man. There's more to it than we don't know. Okay, so that's one thing that I heard is currently on his record, right? Somebody said there was another one that he had in his bed one year when he visited Jamaica. You could tell that one was about 22. Oh, okay. So he likes them young. Okay. Okay. He has an appetite for the young ones. Okay. Right. So apparently, when he was caught with a young boy in his bed a few years ago, it said that he was caught with a young boy before he got married to his husband, Kazim. Yes. He was caught with the underage boy before he was married to Kazim. Yes, my dear child. So that might have been what? Probably 2011, somewhere around here, around that time. Right? Yeah, Kian knows a lot about his dirty deeds, which is why I'm happy. I'm happy he was crippled to bow down and apologize. So tell me something, Chris. Somebody have to bring out your dirty deeds for you to apologize. You can't look within yourself as a man and say to yourself, say, say, I did wrong. I should not have done that. No, right? No, right? You within yourself as a person, as a human being, you're telling me you don't know right from wrong, right? For do some self reflection and say, say, me never, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't do that. You know what I'm saying? No. Yeah, so somebody have to bring you to your knees. Your knees them have to buckle. People have to come out and talk your dirty deeds them for them to get an apology from you. Kia had to come out and pretty much handcuff you for her to get an apology from you. Make it make sense. You're a grown ass man, right? And one thing too, you know what I love? I love the fact that Keon, as young as he is, this man's reasoning ability is very intelligent. Isn't his reason, for those of you who was listening to the live today, wasn't his reasoning ability very intelligent? More intelligent than Chris? That look young youth here. Talk up the things them. Tell me if my reasoning ability not down to me. I sit down and me I listen to the youth, you know. And me I say blood clean that boy are well can reason. Him respect himself. Him know himself. Because the points them when I put across in the video make sense. Yeah man, them can reason. Him can reason and Kia can reason. Now when it come on to Kazim now, Kazim him did a go on like say him can't speak. No, this could be the reason why Chris treat Kazim that way they know. You understand me? No, guys, understand. I am not making a mockery out of Kazim, right? Because people grow the way them grow. Right? I mean, make you know, Chris, really? Oh, you see him on my live like back then, right? Yeah. Right? No, me nah make no fun of Kazim, you know. Because me nah make fun of Kazim because people grow the way them grow, right? But you can clearly tell that Kazim is weak or Kazim fear pants mouth. Yeah, man. Kazim fear pants mouth. Because you hear Kazim a beg him. Kazim a beg Kian for stop and peace. But here what Kazim, you can't really beg Kian for peace. And you can't really beg Kian for stop when a Kian, your husband, violate. You understand? Kian have to get him satisfaction. You understand? Kian, all you Kazim, I got come out and tell Kian say for done it. When your man never did apologize. Your man never apologized to Kian. So Kian have to stand him ground and say, no, you violate me, my youth. You know, you go online, me not do social media them weird, eh? And you go online and bring my business online and make people a chat me and make your people them a style me and a style my mother in the comment section. No, there will be no peace. You violate me, make a violate your back. Big up yourself, Tracy. Thanks for the pretty screen. Right? That's what Kian say, no. You violate me, so make a violate your back. Don't people. Don't that make sense? Right? So me have to big up, me have to big him up for that. Me have to big up Kian for that, for standing ground. Right? Because here what? Kazim always a try save Kian. Kazim always a try save Kris. Because look like say Kris as a big man violate people enough. And because of Kazim, people not diss Kris. But how often can Kris get away with fuckery? Think about it, right? How often can Kris get away with violating people without taking accountability for his actions? How often can Kazim save Kris? You understand? It had to take somebody from him own a community, Wendy, for put Kris in their place, for buckle him knees them, and say, yo, yeah. Right, pants mouth? Right? Kia have to come out and done you. Pants mouth. Right? Eh? So basically, when you did a violate me, pants mouth, right? I violate my daughter and all them things there. You never think say me deserve an apology because you within yourself know say me not do you nothing. You know say me not do you nothing, you know you did wrong. Right? But because I like some views, you violate me. You understand? The same thing you do to Kian. Because I like some views, you violate Kian. Right? And you violate Kian blood clean mother too. And you know the fucked up thing about it since night? You know, sister, it look like him pay sore foot. You know, see him look like him email sore foot and him text sore foot. Sore foot over there a cuss Kazim mother. Sore foot over there a cuss Kazim mother. Them look at dirty people here make it worse for pants mouth. The dirty people them where him a pay for doing look at dirty work. Make it worse for pants mouth. Why are you paying somebody like Sorefoot? We are insert ourselves in your business. Why you PR for cuss off cousin mother, your mother-in-law? Why you do that? Eh? You see that's why you gonna get cuss and dunnings? Eh? Hmm? Are you tell Sorefoot for cuss the people their mother? Are you? Because remember, you pay Sorefoot rent. Are you tell her for cuss the people their mother? You. So you can't you can't come out by your page and do it, you know. Because if you come out by your page, Kia not go done you. Because him a drunk. Remember, him nana mama and papa no eat. That's why him do it. You understand? And Krista understand say him a forget rid of them dirty people the way him a pay. Stop taking your money and pay people for the evil for you. And make situations worse for you. You hear what Queen Cal say? Pansmouth cannot go back to Trinidad anyhow. Them say a him pay sore foot. Yeah, aye, Queen. A him a pay sore foot for cuss off the people their mother. This is why this internet thing I gonna continue over and over and over again because Kris aka Pansmouth don't understand himself. Him no know when for done. Him no know when for be an adult. It's always a game with him. You understand? Him always have to do dirty things and play dirty. Because me hear him say at all me hear him say it already, you know. Him say him have to win at all costs. Right? You never hear him say that before. Him have to win at all costs. Click the thumbs up button, guys. Right? Click the thumbs up button. Him say him have to win at all costs. You know me have to cover him face because him love strike people. Cause yeah. You understand me? Somebody black old stinking Myrna. Myrna, go wash your dirty ass and come off from alive. Go wash your frownsy old ass, Myrna. Go wash your sour front and come off from alive. You stinking old Myrna. Come off from alive. You understand?